Hi, I'm Steve.
And I'm Claudia, and we're from Disconnect for Adventure.
Join us today as we take a look at the REI Flash 55.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay.
This is the REI Flash 55, my favorite backpacking pack. Just want to show you some of the things that it does. It has this outer brain that is detachable. It has this adjustable opening that will allow you to either pack more or pack less to keep that rain out. It weighs 2 pounds, 11 ounces, and comes in 4 different sizes. This is the size medium. So let's take a look at the straps. They're nice and padded, super comfortable. It has this water-resistant rain shield pocket where you could keep your phone. Easy access, and it's magnetic close. What's great about the back is that it has this mesh. So when you're on those long hikes, it just feels amazing to have that breathable backing here with the mesh. What I really like is that it has this adjustable torso. So when you need to give it to someone or let someone borrow it, it's easier to fit different type of body types. It also has a hip belt that also has full mesh, super comfortable and padded. It has these 2 pockets for easy reach on each side. One has mesh and the other one does not. Has this thick belt, adjustable belt to adjust for comfort. On the back side, we have this daisy chain construction that is made so you can put your ice axe or your trekking poles. It's great, it's versatile, it's strong. You could also add some carabiners and add some external accessories that you could just latch onto each side. On the back side, we have this huge pocket. You could put some wet stuff that needs to dry or just stuff anything in. You get hot, take your jacket off, you could just stuff it in the back. It's super easy and it's mesh material, breathable. It's wonderful. Fits so much more stuff. This is my review on the REI Flash 55. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.
We don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me.